Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best step ladder. Here are the top 3 step ladders that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Cosco 3 Big Folding Step. It's made of durable, heavy-gauge steel with a powder coat finish that resists rust and corrosion. Its folding design makes it easy to store the step in your garage or shed when not in use. It has 4 non-slip feet for stability on any surface and is rated for up to 300 pounds. It features a wide base for stability, 2 hand grips for carrying comfort, and rubberized feet for grip on multiple surfaces. It has a durable steel frame with rubber feet on the bottom to scratch floors or slips around on smooth surfaces. At number 2. Delxo Step Ladder. Its rubberized feet provide stability on any surface, indoors or outdoors. It weighs just 12 pounds that makes it easy to carry around. These steps are wide enough to provide stability, and the feet have rubber pads to prevent slipping. This ladder has an aluminum construction and folds for storage when not in use. This step ladder is a lightweight but heavy-duty folding step stool that can be used as a chair or seat. At number 1. HBTower 3-Step Ladder. It is a lightweight aluminum ladder that can be folded up for easy storage. It has 3 steps with rubber feet to prevent slipping when using it as a step stool and 4 feet at the bottom of each leg so that it doesn't topple over when used as an extension ladder. It is made of durable aluminum with plastic handrails for safety. It can be used as an extra step up to get on your roof or to reach high shelves in the garage. This ladder has a wide, sturdy base and features 3 telescoping steps that are easy to adjust with one hand. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.